Kalimati Wholesale Market is the nerve center of vegetable distribution in Kathmandu Valley. At this unplanned market, vegetable waste is found scattered everywhere. It is not only in Kalimati but also in Ratna Park Retail Market for the surrounding areas of Kathmandu Valley. The buyers only take the vegetables which they need, and unwanted leaves are left behind as waste. The sellers also left their waste on the street. This waste comes from the vegetables sold at the market. The waste is then collected by Kathmandu Metropolitan to the dumping grounds. We can't believe that the waste are produced in vegetable farms become the problem of the city urban areas. Thimi farm in Bhaktapur is one of the most known. These farmers are working up to 18 hours a day. They can produce as much as possible. Their life begins at 2 a.m. These vegetable kharpans are prepared and transported to the urban areas. The wastage enters the city together with the fresh vegetables. We can manage before the waste enters the city. A small amount of fertilizer is being processed in Bhaktapur vegetable garden. The farmers separate the greens from the vegetables, cauliflower, and collect them for composting. Another good example can be seen in Dadikot, Gamcha. For making compost fertilizer, first of all the soil is dug and made loose. Then a layer of dried leaves and grass is prepared. The green leaves and organic waste are added to form another layer. Soil is then leveled on the top of it. Water is then sprinkled on the top of the compost. After which the soil is being turned and it is kept for 1.5 months. Then it is left for a further 1.5 months period for a completed compost. A small household, the composting not only reduces the waste but also create income. We can compost the rest of the waste at the household level in urban areas instead of throwing in the street. In some places where compost is being compiled, the flies multiply and a bad smell is spread around the compost area. Holes are specially bored cut into the bamboo to allow oxygen to penetrate into the pile. Daily household organic waste is being collected and placed above the bamboo frame. Husk, dust and ashes are collected to make another layer. Lime is another component to the compost pile. It reduces acidity and at the same time keeps away flies and odor. It also speeds up the process of decomposition. To maintain moisture, pieces of sacks are used to cover the compost pile. Processed, ready fertilizer can be sold. Not only in houses, organic waste can be used in schools to make compost. For a large-scale compost production, a different technical method is adopted. In Bhaktapur Municipality Compost Center, The collected waste is being processed to make a compost fertilizer. It is being sold at 100 rupees per tractor up to 2 or 3 tractors per day. To overcome the problem of isolated composting, Banepa municipality has acquired and allocated space for a large and centralized composting area. For a long-term solution, with the assistance and participation from the public, this aim can be achieved. The waste produced in city of Nepal contains 60 to 70% of organic waste, and this can be used to make compost in all cities like Bhaktapur and Banepa.